Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Sony Bravia TV Wi-Fi connected but no internet. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Sony Bravia TV here and it's not getting any internet connection, well in this case, there are going to be a few things that you can try. So first is you want to check if it's on a Wi-Fi or a TV problem. So in this case, sometimes the problem itself might be your Wi-Fi or in this case, the TV. So in this case, we need to identify which is which. So you need to figure out which issue is causing this. So first is you want to test your Wi-Fi. Now, you want to connect any other device, like for example, you have a phone, connect it to your Wi-Fi here or laptop, but as long as they're using the same network as your TV. And if the internet doesn't work on the other device as well, then the issue is with your Wi-Fi or internet provider. So in this case, if that happens to you, what you need to do is you just need to unplug your modem. So it actually looks similar to this one or something or that has or does not have an antenna. But then again, just look for your internet. In this case, you want to unplug it, wait for around like 15 seconds. And once 15 seconds is up, you could go ahead and plug it again. Wait for it to boot up. And once it's actually fully boot up, what you need to do is test if that solves the issue. Sometimes the device itself, the provider, is going to be the problem. So a good reset here can solve a lot of issues. And also, by the way, touch your modem here. So see if it's overheating. Sometimes if it's too hot, it will not provide any internet connection. So go ahead and check that as well. So if the problem is your TV here, what you need to do is you need to do a very short reset or a soft reset. So you want to unplug the power cord on your TV here and from the wall socket. Now wait for around like 4 to 5 minutes here, even if you can, even more, and plug the power cord back in and turn on your TV once the time has passed. Now you want to check if the internet connection works from then on, and if it doesn't work, there is something or still something that you could do. So you could actually use the TV's self-diagnostic tool. So what you need to do is you want to get your remote here and you want to press the home button. Now, from your home button, you want to navigate to the help section on your TV, usually at the top right here, and you want to go ahead and select customer support, then self-diagnostics. Now, the system will scan for errors on your TV, so if no errors are detected, proceed to check interconnectivity symptoms. So in this case, select interconnectivity symptoms to diagnose network-related problems. Typically, this will solve any issues you might have been encountering right now. So in this case, Sony Bravia TV will solve this for you automatically. Next is, or the fun thing that you could try here is to basically do a factory reset. So to do this, you want to go to your TV setting, same thing. You want to go and select system settings, and you want to go to general setup on your TV, and you want to scroll down and find factory reset. Just press OK on your remote here, and from then on, in this case, select twice and just confirm, follow the on-screen steps. But just reset your TV. But the only problem here is this will clear out any settings or setup that you did before in the TV. So just take that in mind before doing this. But yeah, so if none of those actually work, the TV itself might be the problem here. So it might be a receiver problem, or your TV might have some issues with its software. So it's best to contact Sony for this one and reach out to their customer service. Typically, they will be able to help you with this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.